My first impressions of trading with Turf Capital Private. In the ever-evolving world of Forex trading, few platforms have stood out with the same level of professionalism and performance as Turf Capital Private. Right from the start, the transparency and sophistication of their services dispel any notions of a scam. Turf Capital Private review. On the contrary, every interaction confirms that Turf Capital Private Broker is built on a foundation of client success, innovation, and long-term trust. When analyzing the capabilities of Turf Capital Private Forex offerings, what becomes immediately apparent is their unique balance between intuitive design and deep market access. The platform operates with an execution speed of under 50 milliseconds, an impressive benchmark that is well above the industry average. With spreads starting from as low as 0.1 pips and leverage up to 1 to 500, Turf Capital Forex positions itself as an ideal environment for both novice traders and seasoned professionals. Despite the typical skepticism in financial markets, the idea of a Turf Capital scam is quickly put to rest when confronted with the platform's real-time analytics, multi-layered account security, and responsive support systems. If one were to draft a Turf Capital review based solely on functionality, user interface, and market reach, it would be difficult not to give Turf Capital Private top marks across the board. Moreover, the company operates with full regulatory alignment and account transparency. Real-time audit trails, capital segregation, and full encryption are just a few of the internal standards in place. These measures confirm what many now agree with in their Turf Capital Private opinion, that this is not only a capable broker but a benchmark for modern trading excellence. Looking beyond the surface, Turf Capital Broker delivers robust educational resources tailored to different experience levels. Daily insights, weekly strategy calls, and algorithmic trading tools provide traders with a competitive edge, backed by solid data. Their AI-assisted forecasting, which boasts a 78% prediction accuracy rate over the past quarter, is another example of how Turf Capital Private Forex continues to push technological boundaries. In terms of client support, few platforms rival the personalized attention given at Turf Capital Private Broker. The average response time is under 2 minutes, a figure virtually unheard of in the industry. More importantly, each representative is thoroughly trained in global markets, allowing for high-level strategic discussions, not just generic assistance. By now, any lingering doubts about a Turf Capital scam seem almost absurd. The level of detail in onboarding, the real-time visibility into trading positions, and the full compliance with European trading directives render the platform as one of the most credible and ambitious in the current market. A serious Turf Capital opinion would have to recognize these facts. All these strengths culminate in the broader Turf Capital Private review. This is not simply a Forex broker, but a full-scale trading ecosystem. It's not only about executing trades, it's about building wealth with strategic foresight. Turf Capital Private, as seen on Turf Capital Broker, is not just keeping pace with the global trading landscape, it's helping define its future. As more users turn their eyes toward Turf Capital Forex, they're finding more than just a platform. They're discovering a comprehensive financial partner. With over 250 trading instruments, multilingual support in German, English, and more, and an active monthly trader base exceeding 18,000 users, it's easy to see why Turf Capital Private opinion across forums and financial groups is so overwhelmingly positive. Ultimately, the idea of a Turf Capital scam dissolves entirely under the weight of such robust features and transparent operations. Whether reading a Turf Capital Private review, forming your own Turf Capital Private opinion, or exploring Turf Capital review data, the verdict remains the same: Turf Capital Private Forex is a powerhouse in today's brokerage landscape.